Hello, I'm Dr. Payal Bhandari, the founder and CEO of Thymos Health. We are the first proven AI-enabled virtual care medical service that can address 150 autoimmune disorders. At age 28, I developed autoimmune thyroiditis. Untreated, it rapidly progressed to a life-threatening breast cancer. Both my daughters have developed autoimmune conditions, increasing their lifetime risk of cancer. What started as a mission to find anything that would reverse my children's condition has taken me on a 15-year journey to identify their root causes. I have successfully treated over 5,000 autoimmune patients and used this proprietary data set to create hundreds of algorithms that quickly identify the diagnoses and personalized treatment for these conditions. Our current healthcare system doesn't have the time, know-how, or the solution to stop autoimmune disorders from skyrocketing, where more than 40% of cases will advance to cancer and the direct cost exceeds $200 billion annually. Thymos Health's proven whole person model cuts diagnoses from years to weeks, drives an 80% symptom relief in 3 months, and reduces your total healthcare costs by 80% in 1 year. We are building a platform that automates 90% of data analyses of entire person's profile. This assists clinicians in quickly identifying precise diagnoses and customizing treatments to a patient's physical, emotional, psychological, epigenetic, and diagnostic data, not just their diagnoses. Patients receive daily AI health coaching and medical chatbots, real-time data tracking analyses, and ongoing autoimmune specialist consults. This will lead to mitigating urgent issues and putting them on the path of disease regression. Thymos Health is your only all-in-one virtual medical service that can address 150 autoimmune disorders. AI and group consults leverage our clinicians, drive more efficiency, and therefore better outcomes. Payers are struggling. Autoimmune disorders constitutes their top 5 cost, where Thymos Health, charging $500 per patient per month, caring for their top 10% most expensive patients, will bring that cost down by 80%, from $66,000 to $12,000 a year. We are targeting these risk-bearing entities who we are currently in talks with a management service organization, an accountable care organization, and a payer. Starting with 3 pilots in 2026, we'll be able, with a small pool of patients, drive a high ROI outcomes that we will publish. This will lead to long-term contracts that will allow us to quickly scale to all 50 states, that by 2028, we are caring for over 50,000 patients in the US, generating $97 million in revenue. Our founding team has over 2 decades of experience in clinical medicine, technology, and AI with multiple exits. We are raising $750,000 safe note to release our service, treat our first 100 patients by Q2. Our mission is to address this autoimmune epidemic and help save millions of lives. Thank you.
Judges, any questions?
Yeah, I have one. So I have a couple. Are you suggesting becoming a clinical decision support system for autoimmune diseases?
No, we actually...
Or are you a vertical solution for autoimmune diseases?
We are a solution for for autoimmune disorders, where our Thymos clinicians that get trained in a rigorous whole training care model are equipped to take care of our customers who are risk-bearing entities, their patients, and then we're able to engage with them through our mobile app and then have continuous conversation from our platform and our API integrations.
Okay, so how do you think about reimbursement?
So we do work, because these are payers, we actually have built in a model where we can surface the diagnoses and basically support the billing for the insurance carrier.
So I'm just trying to wrap my head a little bit around this. So are you saying that your solution will hire clinicians who are specifically trained in a methodology where you do earlier diagnoses of 150 autoimmune diseases. Is that what I should understand?
Yes, we hire the clinicians and we train them through our methodology so they feel comfortable providing an integrative whole person autoimmune care. Because most clinicians are not trained from that lens, and then they're helping go on a journey with the patients. So that's one piece, but the other piece is that patients are getting daily AI health coaching and continuously understanding how their data from their emotions, physical, psychological, and epigenetic data is driving to what they're experiencing, but also how the solutions that we're recommending, from medications to supplements to nutrition and lifestyle, are fundamentally helping drive their change.
So for this, you would have, thank you. So for this, you would have to be in network with payers for you to be a viable solution for patients to reach out to. Is that a fair statement?
Yes. And so what we're doing is we're starting with pilots that we're already in talks with a payer, an MSO, and an ASO. So starting with those pilots and being able to drive the outcomes will allow us to continue scaling the number of patients we can take care of.